Y'all see the brows? The brows are transformed, baby.
Hey, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. No, we overdue.
Hello, vlog. So I am about to make smothered chicken for the first time ever. I'm not using a recipe. I'm just gonna use my mind and videos I've saw on the internet, and we're gonna do this thing. I'm pretty sure I know what I'm doing. I have my chicken that has been marinated, just being frosting right now. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all everything I'm about to do. Hopefully I remember that I'm vlogging. And let's go. Let me go ahead and chop up all of my stuff and then get started.
Share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me.
You win. Give your all to Him. Follow God and you win. 'Cause I don't wanna be in this worldly lifestyle anymore. I know it seems easy, but hell is an open door. I don't want to be in this worldly lifestyle anymore. I know it seems easy, but hell is an open door. So I'm telling you right now, push through, don't go astray. 'Cause there is nothing better than meeting the God who reigns. Oh, Cece girl, we miss you, girl. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this girl's gone. That's her song. I just can't stop singing it. It's been a few months since she passed, and every day is just like in my head since March. It's now August. Oh, see you one day soon. Anywho, I'm about to go get my day started. Today is August the 23rd. There's no school today. It's Tuesday. So, about to go get my nails filled and redone. New style loading. Let's go.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love slap me up. Think that I'm doing a fit. But I'm gonna right about him talking to me. Oh, yeah.
Hey vlog. So your girl is a little under the weather, just a little bit. I have a humidifier that I bought this morning to get my nose unclogged. My nostrils are like super clogged, but I feel okay. I'm just tired, but I have a coupon and I really need to use it, and now it's perfect time. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm going to crumble cookie. I have an Ulta coupon as well, but I don't think I'm going to use that one right now. Those are all my birthday cards. I have an Ulta card, but that can wait. But the other ones, a free crumble cookie, can't wait. So I'm about to go get it. I'm sad I have to drive 20 minutes to get it because delivery is too expensive, but whatever. $10 and then having to tip the drivers, which I will always do, but I don't want to do right now because I got bills. Anywho, it's so hot. Here it is. How cute. Hey you boys. So we're heading to go get our brows laminated for the first time with waxing with Mo. So I'm just heading out the door. I'm gonna bring some lashes with me so I can put on afterwards. Today is Saturday. I don't know when this vlog is gonna go up because I got so many vlogs that I have to edit. Here's my little outfit. My little dress from Shein. I'm wearing it a little weird. My Tory Burch bag, my little jewelry, whatever, and then my Tory Burch sandals. I might go buy some new ones today because I'm in the mood and all my bills is paid. But yeah, anyways, I'm heading out the door. I don't want to be late. Let me go get some ice because it's hot outside the door. I was on time and now I'm just running behind. You know, Saturday cleaning. Anywho, today I'm also going to lunch with my sister Mary. Her birthday's tomorrow, so we're gonna have lunch by the beach or something. I don't know, we'll see. Just stay tuned. Go ahead, go ahead. I'll cut. You ready? Yeah. Okay. It's been a while. When was the last time I was here?
I don't even know. It's probably been over a month. And I'm thinking about returning it. Check right there.
I like it because it looks cute. Yeah. I feel like it look good with your theme.
No, it would. Can you send me the link?
It still has the clicker here. Oh, it's been up and down at the same time. My brows terrible? Are my brows terrible?
No, not really. You just really need to clean up. That's it. Because, like, these brows will go straight up like this. And then we'll just take off all these little hairs. That's that. And I'll map it out before I even...
I'm excited. I've never gotten a lamination.
Really?
I just get wax and tint. Perfect.
Like, it looks so good. So first you're just gonna cleanse the brows, and then with the spoolie, it just gently exfoliates your skin. So that helps the product penetrate.
fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest.
How long is it for?
5 minutes.
I want that, yeah. Well, never fall out of love with you. Choo. Loyalty stay from you. To come get you.
How long does it last?
6 to 8 weeks.
Nice. So it's like a perm?
Yeah, basically.
Who thought of this? Who thought of this?
Brow people who be doing brows, they're like,
Probably because some people's hair was like so curly. Interesting. That thing is slick.
for real.
Ooh. Would you consider doing lashes?
No. I can't sit down for way too long.
She says no so fast.
I just can't.
Yeah, it is long. I've done my lashes like once, like with individuals, girl.
Yeah.
Like no wonder everybody eyes be red. You sleep.
Even if just like laying down, getting my lashes done, like I just can't. I just hate the smell of it.
Of the thing.
Yeah, the thing.
You clean up afterwards. So you wouldn't recommend like getting wax like right before this.
Yeah, because you don't want the chemicals to go into the freshly like wax skin, like the bones and stuff.
I just run it up before I go. Would you tell her all my secrets if I let you go?
This is cool.
I know, right? It's satisfying.
It is. I'm like so amazed.
You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die.
Alright, this is where let me get come here. This is where we're gonna wax off everything that's on that arm. That's what's gonna be taken off. That's okay? Perfect.
That looks so good. Period. Y'all see it. Don't play with the girls, okay? Just wait till the final reveal. Just hold on.
We almost there.
Oh, this looks so good already.
It was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Baby, I want this to last forever.
every single day.
It's really like getting a perm.
You know, that's everything. I'll send you all aftercare instructions. Don't go to no gym, no sweating, no direct sunlight on the brows. I just love how it makes it look so much fuller.
I look so fierce.
You said it looks fierce? That's what I'm literally thinking about when I'm like doing eyebrows.
For real, that looks so. My brows never.
Like,
Never.
do you see how full it looks?
It does, and I've always had really full brows, but this is the fullest.
Like if you just add a concealer, like at the bottom, you see how it gives that effect, like it's filled in, but it's not even filled in.
I see what you mean right there.
Like literally, all you need is that. You can put that a little bit of that brow gel, put that concealer right there, and just give it. That's it.
Yeah, right, y'all. Y'all see the brows? The brows are transformed, baby.
By who?
Waxing with Mo. Y'all already know. Y'all know when y'all see me on this green table.
Well, yeah, when you see this green thing right here.
Okay, it's going down. Thank you. Don't play with the girls. New service alert, brow lamination, brow wax, brow tint, everything you want, she got it. Okay. Oh, look at my brows. And it looks so natural still. I look so good.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. It looks like a router.
I love them. Alright, I'm about to do underarms real quick. And oh my gosh, I just love it. I'm about to send everybody over. You already know that, but you already knew that. Oh, this looks so good. He's gonna love them too. He love my brows. Oh, he love when I get my brows done.
Who?
DJ, my fiance. Yeah. I
Good.
think he's gonna like this better.
I thought you were gonna need some lashes, sunscreen.
Look at that, clean. Woo, that thing is clean. Oh, goodness gracious.
You call me Mr.
Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean.
Everything getting transformed.
Look at that, before, after.
One snatch.
One snatch, that's all it takes. Dang.
Had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah,